Hello everyone, welcome back to Gist of Maths. Today we will continue the different operations on fraction. You can check out the other videos on fraction by clicking on the I button or the link that are given below in the description box. So without any delay, let's get started.
Addition of fraction. Example number 1. 4 by 3 plus 7 by 8. As you can see, all the denominators are different, so we need to find out LCM of them. So LCM of 3 and 8 is equals to 24, which will be the denominator. As 3 is multiplied with 8 to get the value 24 as denominator, so 4 is also multiplied with 8. And 8 is multiplied with 3 to get the value 24 as the denominator. So 7 is also multiplied with 3. Okay. So 4 into 8, that is 32. 7 into 3, that is 21. So 32 plus 21 divided by 24, that is 53 divided by 24. As this is the improper fraction, so we change it into a mixed fraction and get the value 2 and 5 by 24. Okay. Now come to example number 2. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 6 plus 4 by 9. As you can see, all the denominators are different. So LCM of 3, 6 and 9 is equals to 18. 3 is multiplied with 6 to get the value 18 as its denominator. So 2 is also multiplied with 6 plus 6 is multiplied with 3 to get the value 18 as denominator. So 4 is also multiplied with 3 plus 9 is multiplied with 2 to get the value 18 as its denominator. So 4 is also multiplied with 2 divided by 18. Now 2 into 6, that is 12, plus 4 into 3, that is 12, plus 4 into 2, that is 8 divided by 18. Now 12 plus 12 plus 8 is equals to 32 divided by 18. 32 and 18 both are divisible by 2. So we cut them by 2 and get the value 16 by 9, which is an improper fraction. So we change it into a mixed fraction and get the value 1 and 7 by 9. Okay. Now come to example number 3. 3 by 7 plus 6 by 7 plus 2 by 7. As you can see, all the denominators are same, so we don't need to find out the LCM. We can directly do the addition by simply adding the numerator. So numerators, that is 3 plus 6 plus 2 divided by 7, which is equals to 11 by 7. As it's an improper fraction, so we change it into a mixed fraction and get the value 1 and 4 by 7. Come to subtraction of fraction. Example number 1. 4 by 5 minus 3 by 15. So as the denominators are different, so LCM of 5 and 15 is equals to 15, which will be the denominator. So to get the value 15 as denominator, we multiply 5 with 3. As 5 is multiplied with 3, so 4 is also multiplied with 3, minus 15 is multiplied with 1, so 3 is also multiplied with 1. Okay, so 4 into 3, that is 12, minus 3 into 1, that is 3. So 12 minus 3 divided by 15 is equals to 9 by 15. 9 and 15 both can divisible by 3, so we cut them by 3 and get the value 3 by 5. Okay. Now come to example number 2. 8 and 1 by 2 minus 3 and 5 by 8. So as it's a mixed fraction, so we first change it into an improper fraction, that is 8 into 2, 16 plus 1, 17 by 2 minus 3 into 8, 24 plus 5, that is 29 divided by 8. So LCM of the denominators 2 and 8 is equals to 8. 2 is multiplied with 4 to get the value 8 as denominator. So 17 is also multiplied with 4 minus 8 is multiplied with 1, so 29 is also multiplied with 1. Okay, so 17 into 4, that is 68, minus 29 divided by 8 is equals to 39 by 8, which is an improper fraction, so we change it into an mixed fraction, that is the value is 4 and 7 by 8. Okay, and finally example number 3. 7 by 9 minus 5 by 9 minus 1 by 9. As all the denominators are same, that is 9. So we simply subtract all the numerators, that is 7 minus 5 minus 1 divided by 9, which is equals to 1 by 9. Okay.
So today up to this guys, in the next video we will continue the different operations on fraction, that is multiplication, division, simplification and many more. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section, and if you like the video then please give a big thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, keep learning. Thank you.